A new system of education can help only if it is treated differently. We need to have a decentralized, high quality, collaborative, on the job efforts than just having mere training mechanism in the papers that churns out irresponsible, incapable numbers. We need capable people who can lead the show, who can implement it, and who are also the doers. For example, when we had the IT revolution, IT boom, which is believed to be continuing, we decided that all the engineers should be trained to take up IT jobs. We missed out on core engineering subjects. We missed out on training them on those subjects. I don't even know whether we do have such institutions which can do some collaborative effort with the universities. Organizations like Tata's and in South like TVS can think about having some collaborative mechanism along with engineering institutions, not necessarily engineering institutions, even other organizations can have collaborative effort with humanities and management institutions to train people in such a way the education could help by imparting knowledge that can be transferred from on-the-job trainings directly through appropriate leadership identified from the industry who can handle it for the education sector. A right amount of mix in theory and practice with intensive timelines, which is very important, and adequate checks and balances, focusing only on the skills that are required to accomplish a particular job has to be important. Let us not talk about mere papers which may not help the individuals or the society. Process of delivering this has to be defined clearly and left to the institutions to deliver. Government should not get into it beyond this. To a certain extent, government can only support these initiatives by incentivizing the institutions so as to pay the leaders very well and also provide technology to the institutions. Economics to the technology to a certain extent. So the other key and important thing is innovation. See, unless otherwise we innovate to the extent that how we can handle the scaling of this, and how we can bring in technology to this training, that is imparting the skills and improving the education, we cannot be successful. So all that I'm saying is decentralize, bring in a meaningful, creative curriculum, collaborate with, definitely, we do have many collaborations which is in the papers, but not beyond papers and seminar halls. We need real collaboration with industry and schools, that is education institutions. And the support, if at all has to come, is coming from government or any other agency, it has to only to support them. The fund has to, support them only to improve the technology and also take care of the people. Because education industry is not willing to invest on people. And industry is not willing to give away their people to enhance the support to education. So there is what we need, some investment. And the technology and the innovation and creativity with the IT technologies, which has to support this system of whatever process of training, has to be also be thought about and the best technology has to come for which the funding is needed, and the industry, I mean, the economics should be viable. So all this should result in improving our quality of people so as to deliver, and that has to be done in a higher scale.